take it. You have overtaken me.
I let the tears run down my face. You told me it's okay to cry.
It's just the pain I wash away, but why does it still hurt inside? I can't control my mind again. I cannot live this life alive. But now it's just you and I. You and